Welcome back to Nogles Notions, and today I'm going to show you an alternative to storing your bread in a bowl like this. Two common suggestions I've heard are to either put the bowl in the microwave or store the bread in the refrigerator. In our home, the microwave gets too much use for that to make sense, and while we do keep an extra loaf or two in the fridge, I don't really like making a sandwich with cold bread. There's a little DIY needed for this project, so here's a short version. First, you'll cut off the top pieces right here so the basket can mount flush to the bottom of your cabinets. And then next you're going to drill 2 holes in the back right here for screws. Easy shortcut, just remove the set screws in the front and reuse those holes. The next step is purely optional and it's just for looks. If you don't want to see the packaging of your bread, you can select a coordinating kitchen towel or fabric and just weave it around the basket. Since there's not a bottom, you don't have to worry about crumbs collecting, and you can easily pull them out and wash them or change them up as needed for the season. Now the bread is off the counter, it's easy to grab, and it finally has a proper home. I'll drop a link below to the baskets if you want to check them out. They do fit 2 standard loaves of bread nicely, and we doubled down and got a second one so we can do bagels and buns and other breads in there. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and come back for more Nogles Notions.